So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can color grade your whole video together. That means you don't need to do all the clips manually. You can color grade all the video clips together just by one simple step on Premiere Pro. Now in order to do it, just simply right click on the empty space in the project section and click on this option of new item, or just simply click on this option of add file as well and hit on new, and here you'll see this option of adjustment layer. Now once you do it, hit OK. The adjustment layer has been added. Now drag and drop it to the upper layer of the timeline and extend it to the whole video that you want to add the color grading to. Now once you do it, now just simply go to the effects panel, and when you add the uh, color grading effect on that particular adjustment layer, it is going to be applied to all the clips just below that particular adjustment layer altogether. You don't need to manually do it to all the video clips. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.